Hello, hi, do you want your face to look slimmer and with a V jawline rather than a U jawline? Then you must use this, the new Timewise Repair Lifting Serum. Okay, this is very good because it is oil and fragrance free. So in other words, it is suitable for oily face and even for sensitive skin type. Okay, and yeah, it has a locking and unlocking systems. Once you push it out, you will see that the lotion, the texture is so light, it can easily absorb into the skin. And I love the scent. It's fragrance free, but it's scent from the key ingredients, and it's so therapeutic. It's very nice. Okay. So besides that, what's so great about this serum? Again, I find it very interesting because I find that Mary Kay it reminds me of Zhongyi when they want to treat illnesses, right? They were 抓草药. Yeah, so in Mary Kay, they are very much using botanical sciences to help treat the skin conditions, to help your skin to look firmer and more radiant and more youthful. So what are the key ingredients for this serum that is so amazing? They actually use the Alpinia Galanga. You know, Galanga, you use it for cooking, right? So they use Alpinia Galanga, which is traditionally used to treat bronchitis, eczema. It provides antibacterial, antiviral, and it offers antioxidant effects. And it has a therapeutic effects on the skin. And another key ingredients is Schisandra. Sounds very bombastic, right? But actually for Chinese, if you could remember the Schisandra berries, 无尾子, yeah, it's a natural beauty tonics. Protects. It's a very red kind of fruits, tiny little fruits. Yeah. And this actually provides natural beauty tonics to protect the skin from environmental stress, help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, its astringent quality to retain moisture and builds immune defense energy that flow beneath the surface of the skin. Yeah, and the next key ingredients is the plant stem cells. I'm sure you know that plant stem cells is very good for anti-aging. Okay, because it has the ability to activate the process of repair and regeneration of skin cells. And another key ingredients for this serum is biomimetics peptides that provides proteins to the skin. Well, so who skips serums in your skincare? It's a no-no. You cannot skip serum in your skincare because I'll show you the skin structure. Okay, you see this skin structure. Our skin structure, broadly, it has three sections: epidermis, dermis. The dermis is from the undulating part to this section. Okay, and the last section will be the fat cell. Okay. As you can see, the dermis layer, which is the 真皮, right, the inner layer, are where all the collagen, elastin fiber, hyaluronic acids, sweat glands, oil glands are. Okay, and this area, moisturizer that you use will not be able to reach deeper into this dermis layer. Only serums is, because serum is a transporter that is able to feed the nutrient into this dermis layer. So never skip serum in your skincare regimen. Okay, because if you do, you will not see the improvement of your skin, and it may result an issue in long run as you age. Okay. I'm going to show you the proper skincare steps using the Timewise Repair, the advanced anti-aging skincare range. Okay, first will be the cleanser. Oops. Okay, with the sonic brush. Then wash it away. Oh, so clean. Yeah. Okay. Wipe it dry. Okay, and followed by using a softener. Okay. We don't call it a toner because it's alcohol free, and it has a very good anti-aging effects, very hydrating, and it really softens the skin because of the high hydration level. Okay, do this to prepare your skin so that your skin is softer and is able to receive the goodness of the serum better. Okay, with this softener. Okay, so next, after the softener, will be the serum. Now you can apply it. Okay, dot it on your face. I love Mary Kay. Yeah. Okay. Well, to make it better, to push the serum deeper into the skin structure, you can make use of this massage head. Okay, so what do you do? I'll show you one side of the face first, okay? You see the results. I love the serum, it's so light. I don't feel anything, and the scent is so nice, very therapeutic. You must try it. Okay? Yeah. So you can do here also on your neck. Okay. Overall, you can massage your face for 2 minutes. Look at that. It's really amazing, isn't it? Yeah, so you can do the same for the other side. Okay, always massage it with a serum. Okay. It's really worth investing in this massage. The sonic massage and the cleansing, the brush, because it really shows the result. And combine it with this lifting serum, the result is amazing. Can you see that? Yeah. So within 1 minute, 2 minutes, yeah, you can already see the face forming up more V. Look at that. Isn't it good? Yeah. I have not even finished for another minute. Okay. So the completed for 2 minutes. Yeah, for the whole face, because after that you just apply the moisturizer. Okay, I use this moisturizer with SPF because it will protect me from the sun. Okay, that looks good and fresh. Okay, so remember to use this. Yeah, get this Timewise Repair, and combine this. Okay, combine this. This is really good.